let me show you how I got this awesome summer look. We're going to start off with a little bit of contour. I normally don't do this, but it's fun to do anyway. So gave myself a little button nose and snatch those cheeks. Define the forehead a little bit, my eyes. Get the nose a little better and get my chin. Just kind of get my face looking a little better. Put on some blush, a little bit of highlighter there. Blend that out. We're doing this look to celebrate getting 100 followers, which was awesome. That was my first goal. Now my next goal is going to be 500 followers, so I'll keep you updated. So we did the lips with some Sephora lip liner, some NARS lip balm, and then some Dior lip plumper. Now we are using the Natasha Denona, and we are using the color Vision to do that. The little eyeliner outline there. Next, we're going to use the Morph palette, and we're using Sugar Me to go on the inside of my eyes. And then the next color is Talking Glitz, and we're just going to make a gradient over the eyelid. Vision is my absolute favorite color that I have. And now we are just putting a little white eyeliner in the eye, on the under eyelid. Now we're darkening up the Vision just to make sure it really pops. I'm going to curl my little eyelashes, and we're using the One Size Fantasize. It is awesome. I got 3 of them with my points at Sephora, and I love them so very much. And now I'm just going to keep going and rolling it out so I can get some nice long eyelashes. Love this look. It's probably my favorite look I've ever done. Now I'm just going to straighten the hair, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.